Where would you want me to put this?
Hey guys, I'm Jazz.
I'm Ty.
And today we are making vegetarian lasagna roll-ups, right?
Yes.
Oh man.
Oh man. They're cheesy too. Super cheesy.
We're not vegetarians.
No, but I like to force us to try recipes from time to time.
And I'm the one that is forced.
Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to start out with is a 32-ounce container of ricotta cheese.
So this time guys, we're going to be adding 1 cup of mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. I said mozzarella cheese.
Let's add it in. Alright guys, right here we have some Parmesan cheese.
Quarter cup of cheese, Parmesan cheese.
We got cheese. A little bit more because,
What cheese that?
yeah, and I'm lactose intolerant, which is great. But I love cheese.
Alright guys, so the next thing that we're going to be adding is a teaspoon of salt.
Alright, so what I'm going to be using here is some garlic powder, and I need a teaspoon of this garlic powder.
What are you putting in?
A teaspoon of garlic powder.
Yeah.
Thanks.
What is it?
I think it's garlic powder. Hashtag deal with it. Oh no!
Alright guys, so the last thing we're going to add to our wonderful mixture is a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper.
And then we're gonna mix it up.
Mix it.
Mix it up.
Mix it. Mix it. Yes.
Mix it up. You need to mix it.
Mix it.
Mix it. It's like those bop its where it's just like, kill your family.
Damn!
Let's add some basil. Basil leaves.
Basil. Basil. How much basil do you want in there?
I tell you what, the folks back in Oklahoma would die for stuff like this. Alright, so next to this lovely lady, we got this mixture that we just created. And what we're going to do is we got some chilled noodles.
Not just good.
Got these cooked noodles that are cooled on wax paper here, as you can see. And maybe not see. And then we're just going to put them in there, and then we're going to roll them on up. So the next process in this recipe is that we need to add some marinara sauce. We're just going to take some and drizzle it over the top of it, just enough to put a nice little layer over it.
And then after we're done putting that on there, we're just going to go ahead and top it with some of this mozzarella cheese. And after that, we're going to throw it in the oven for like 35 minutes, and then we'll be back to show you.
One sauce. We ended up adding some garlic toast to the whole thing.
Yeah, we paid like $2 for this. It's just the off-brand regular garlic toast from Smith's.
Let's see how this turned out, I guess.
Alright guys, make sure that you like, share, and leave a comment down below letting us know what you loved about this video. And thank you so much for watching. I am Jasmine.
And I am Ty.
And we will talk to you in our next one. Bye!
Bye.